You are that advocate. You are that mental health advocate, that mental health hero. You're going out there. You're out there. You're talking about your story. You're speaking your truth. Guess what? There's a young man who's afraid to go to his mom, who's afraid to go to his dad or his grandmother. But now he sees Tyler out there doing his thing and talking about it.
And I don't just stand up here saying, don't ever give up. I live it. Like, my life is my message. I'm here, standing here in front of you all today because I didn't give up.
It's okay to cry. Now, you just give this young man hope. When we talk about multi-generational trauma or intergenerational trauma, you just potentially stopped it. You know what I mean? So it's like hand go, hand come. We need a lot more Tylers in all of our communities, right?